Are you tired of struggling to make money online through affiliate marketing? Do you want to learn how to promote your affiliate links easily without breaking the bank? Lucky you. In today's video, I'll be showing you 4 different websites and strategies with which you can promote your affiliate link and make as much as $10,000 every single month. Yes, with the information I'm going to be sharing with you guys in today's video, $10,000 every single month is possible. Now, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or an experienced affiliate marketer. These tips will definitely help you boost your earnings and take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. If that's exactly what you want, I want to encourage you to sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to make some serious money with affiliate marketing. Now, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerard, and I make videos around making money online. So what I do is that I try things out, they work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same result. So I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button on this video. If you've not done that, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly, guys. And like I said, there are 4 different websites, but before we jump into those websites, the first thing is to pick the right product that we want to promote, right? For that, I'm going to be coming to my laptop screen right here. And if you come here right now, I'm on ClickBank. One of the biggest offers on ClickBank right now is Alpilean. Alpilean's secret is a healthy weight loss. Now, you can pick any product. I'm using this for the tutorial, and I think after this one, I'm going to be picking another product that's not in the weight loss niche, and we're going to be doing the exact same thing, right? So I'm going to be showing you how to do this thing with 2 different products, so it's easy for you to actually figure out. So it's important that you stay with me from beginning to the end of this video. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come here right now, and this is a weight loss product. Now, the first website we're going to be looking at is google.com. Everybody knows Google, right? So I'm going to come here right now and use Google to do what we call keyword research for healthy weight loss. So I'm going to come here now and type healthy weight loss. So there's healthy weight loss diet plan, healthy weight loss meals, healthy weight loss per month, healthy weight loss smoothies, right? So there's healthy weight loss for women, or for a month, or for your cat, or for seniors, or for week. But let me say for women, right? Let's pick this. These are all potential topics that we can actually use this particular strategy on. So let me pick one right now. I'm going to be picking the first one, which is healthy weight loss for women, for instance, right? So this is the topic that we want to go for right now. You know, so because it's a popular topic, that is why it's showing in Google Suggest. It's actually a very popular topic. Now, we've taken this right now. Now I'm going to go to the second website called ChatGPT. I've actually talked about this a lot, and I know a lot of you guys have actually heard about this website. Now, it actually makes life very easy, even for affiliate marketers. So I'm going to come here right now, click on ChatGPT. Of course, you need to sign up your account. Now, the links to all the websites that I'm mentioning in today's video, it's right there in this video description. So click on it and actually get to the website. So if you click on the second link in the video, it's going to bring you to this interface right now. You can actually click on sign up if you don't have an account on ChatGPT, or if you have an account like myself, all you need to do is to click on login right here. So it's asking for my email address. I'm going to say continue. My password is here. I'm going to say continue, right? So it's logging me in right now. So I'm logged to ChatGPT. And what I'm going to say, I'm going to ask ChatGPT, write an outline for an ebook titled Control V, enter, definition of wealthy weight loss, this and this. It keeps writing. So this is the outline for our ebook right now, right? We want to prepare an ebook, and ChatGPT is writing this ebook for us, right? So I mentioned the first website, which is google.com. I've also mentioned the second website. That's what we are on right now, called ChatGPT, right? There are 2 more websites we're going to be looking at, so it's important that you stay with me. So this is the outline, which is table of content for our new ebook, right? So I'm going to come here and say, write the introduction. It's writing the introduction for us right now. So all we need to do is to sit back, relax, and wait for ChatGPT to do its job. So it is done writing the introduction for us. The next thing is write the second chapter, understanding the female body. So I'm going to come here and say, write the second chapter. I'm going to come here and put this here. I hit enter. So it begins to write chapter 2 for us, right? The next thing, you're going to write chapter 3, then chapter 4, and chapter 5, and till it gets to the final chapter, and we are done, right? We have content for our ebook, in a little while. So he has written all the chapters for us right now. Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to come over to canva.com, right? That's the 3rd website we're looking at right now. There's still one more remaining, and it's a top secret website, and I'm going to be showing you that, guys, in a little while. So I'm going to come here to canva.com and type ebook template. So it's going to show me lots and lots of ebook templates. Okay, so these are all ebook templates, and we're going to be choosing one that we're going to be working with right now, or we're going to be producing our own ebook on healthy weight loss. So this is what I'm going to do. Let's say I want to work with days. For instance, I'm going to click on it and I'm going to say customize this template. Okay, so this is open right now. Yeah, this is our template for our ebook. So I'm going to remove days. I don't need days. What's the title of our ebook again? Let's go to ChatGPT and get the title of our ebook. Control C, healthy weight loss for women. Come back here. Control V this, healthy weight loss for women. That's the title of our ebook. So I'm going to centralize this to remove this author. You can put your name here, or you can put Dr. Bright Agile. So I'm going to use an image as this background. So I'm going to come here to images. I'm going to come here to photos and find the weight loss. Okay, so these images are actually paid. This is free, so I can use this, upload this up. Okay, it's in the background. But you see that this is fighting for attention with this. So I can change this one to black, right? But this is not nice. I don't think it's nice. I actually made a full tutorial on how to use Canva. I'm going to be linking my Canva tutorial in the video description. So go there, click on it, and actually watch that video to understand how to use Canva. So I'm going to click on this. It comes into this space. So I'm going to fill here with it. So I'm going to fill this, make this thing, make it black, reduce the transparency, then position, send it to back. So change this one, bring this one back, change it back to white. Okay, so this makes more sense, right? So you can actually take time to make this better, you know. So this is our cover, the cover of our ebook, right? So the next thing is to add the next page. I'm going to delete this. Let it be the white background. Of course, I'm going to add text, add heading, and call it introduction. Then add this, the body of our ebook. Okay. So let's go back to ChatGPT and copy our introduction. So this is our introduction here. I'm going to copy it here. Then come back here, double tap this guy and paste this in. Change this. Okay, good. So this is our ebook here. So let's take this up a bit. Also take this up a bit. So now take time to edit this so it's readable. Copy everything here. Control X this. Then add a new page. I'm going to duplicate this page. Remove introduction. Control A here and paste the remainder of what we copied. Hit enter. And this is it. We are done with this, with the first phase of our ebook. Now, this is the introduction. We are done with it. So what we need to do right now is to double tap this, then move it down, right? So you see our introduction, it stays here. So you have the cover of our ebook, we have the introduction, we have the remainder, and this is the next chapter, which is what? Understanding the female body, Control C. So understanding the female body. So I'm going to bring this down. So let's come back to ChatGPT and actually copy the body of this. So copy, this copies everything. I'm going to come here, Control A this, delete everything inside here, then Control V, what we just copied. Remove this chapter 2. Remove this here to clean this up a bit. Hormonal changes, enter. Weight losses. Additionally, click here, enter. Body, click here, enter. So we can now select everything here. Control X, delete this, bring this up. Control A, Control V, arrange this a bit. Okay, understanding, click here, enter. Click here, enter. So in conclusion, this should go to the next page. Okay, Control X. Right, this stays here. Then next, add a new page. Just duplicate this, delete everything here, and copy the remainder of that chapter into this place. And this is it. So we're going to do this for all the chapters, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, 6, 7, right? So this is the conclusion, which is the last part of this ebook. So I'm going to Control A this, Control V our conclusion here. No, I cannot squeeze everything in here. So I'm going to take this part, Control X, bring this down a bit. Duplicate this, delete, double tap, Control A, Control V, and bring this up. Okay, and we're done. So this is our ebook, literally. This is our ebook, we are done. Healthy weight loss for women area, introduction, understanding the female body, the fundamentals of healthy weight loss, that will keep going on and on and on and on. So what we need to do right now is to find strategic places, right? We can edit and actually add our affiliate link. So I'm going to come back to ClickBank right here. I want to promote this, right? It's a weight loss supplement, basically. So I'm going to hit promote right here, right? Account nickname, I'm going to put this in. I'm going to click on create hop link, right? And this is my hop link, which is basically affiliate link. So I'm going to copy this right now, right? Now I'm going to come back to Canva, take my time to go through this ebook and find strategic places to turn into a link. Let's say introduction of this ebook, nutrition, including nutrition. So I'm going to double tap nutrition, Control K, right? It shows me where I'm going to put the links here. I'm going to copy my affiliate link, then come back right here and drop it in here, Control V this, and hit enter. Now nutrition here becomes a link. So once people actually click on this, it's going to take them to my affiliate link. But you have to be strategic about this thing, right? You have to find the right place to actually put this link. And let's find somewhere else. So where it says this dietary supplement, I'm going to change this dietary supplement. I'm going to select this, drop my affiliate link here again and hit enter. It becomes a link, right? So we strategically impute these affiliate links, right, into the PDF before we export. Now, we are done with this. Let's say we are done with this right now. This is our ebook. We are done with everything right now. So what we need to do right now is to export this, right? And go to the last secret website and impute this right there. Let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to come to share, then come to download here, right? I'll come here and select PDF, email, best for document and email on PDF standard. I'm going to select this, right? And there are 20 pages here. I'm going to say download, and this is going to be downloaded to my local computer, right? So we have an ebook that we have built into our local computer. So our PDF have been downloaded. So this is it, right? I'm going to open it up. So this is what we created, right? Easy. Healthy Weight Loss for Women by Dr. Bright, Agile Introduction. This is the intro, right? See that this place is a link. If we click on this place right now, it is going to go straight to the product through our affiliate link. That is what happened right now. So I'm going to come back and you keep going down and down. This is the ebook that we just created. So this is what I'm going to do right now. Let's go to the final website, which is slideshare.net. So coming to slideshare.net, you're going to be seeing the fact that this ebook that was published has over 11,000 views, right? Imagine you own ebooks right here. This ebook has 11,000 views and just 100 persons from this 11,000 persons converted. Now, for this particular product, you are getting an average of $136 per product. So if you convert 100, that will be $13,000 easy money that you'll be making doing this, right? So that is how powerful this particular website is. And this is the last secret website we are going to be looking at right now. So what we do right now is to come here to sign up if you don't already have an account. So click on sign up. Okay, log me in because I already have an account. It didn't take me through the sign up process. And if you come to explore right here, you are going to be seeing a whole lot of smart individuals who are doing the same thing I'm teaching you right now using this particular website. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come to upload here, select documents to upload. I'm going to be selecting the ebook that we just created right now. That's what I'm going to be uploading. Now, this is it right here. I'm going to rename this ebook. I'll call it Healthy Weight Loss for Women. I hit enter. I'm going to double tap it. Verify that you are human. Okay, verify. So our ebook is uploading right now. Healthy Weight Loss for Women. I'm going to remove this PDF here. Healthy Weight Loss for Women. So select category. Category should be weight loss. Nothing like weight loss. So let's put it in healthcare. Right, description. I'm going to come back here, come to introduction. I'll take the introduction, I actually use it, put it right here as description. So this is fine. It works very well. Tags, weight loss, health. Okay, so you just find other tags that you can put here. Public, private, limited. Make sure you leave it as public. You want everybody to have access to this ebook. The whole public should have access to this ebook. So I'm going to come here, discoverability score. Your score increases when you pick a category, fill out a long description and add more tags, right? So the more tags you add right here, the more discoverable your ebook is going to be and all of that. So I'm going to hit publish right here, right now. And our ebook is available for the whole world to start seeing right now. That's all you need to do. This website gets millions of visitors every single month. So there's a very high chance of your ebook converting once you actually do the right thing. Now, one of the advice I will give you is to make sure that you get to the highest discoverability. It will make your description very long, and add more tags. You can add as much as 20 keywords. Of course, go ahead and use all of them. So, and we've done this for a weight loss product. So you can actually find a product like the script, which is a subtitle stuff. So you can do your keyword research and find keywords around how to add subtitles on your videos and stuff like that. Use the same process and create an ebook, right? And put it right here on SlideShare, and you can make a lot of money doing that. You can potentially make as much as $10,000 doing just this simple thing that we just did right now in today's video. So if you got any value from this video, I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button if you've not done that. Subscribe to my channel once again, and most importantly, turn on the notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you just watched right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly, guys. So until I see you in my next video, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.